What's going on, guys? Human Pokedex, and today we got a quick pack opening. We got a couple Evolving Skies and Brilliant Stars packs, so we're going to straight to it. And if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe, and let's get straight to it. Let's give it the Brilliant Stars. Nada. Alright, pack number 2. Black Code, Charizard.
The next game of our doubleheader for the Grizzlies force to game 7. Mike Greenberg.
Alright, we got 2 more. Ooh, Black Code. Ooh, Raichu.
But you know how valuable it is to have a big that can defend small guys, and a small guy that can defend and box down bigger guys, meaning confident and smart.
Yeah, smart. It puts his body in the play. Not shying away.
Just a regular hollow. Alright, let's get to the next pack. It's just a hollow. Boom. Alright, let's get to the next one. Boom. Alright, we got the next one. Alright, we got the next one. Ooh. Alright, we got another 2. Whoa. Whoa. Alright. Go straight to it. Nothing. Okay. Boom. Whoa. These are kind of the... That was a white code. Weird. Alright, got it. Evolving Skies. Oof. Ah, just a hollow. Alright, Evolving Skies. White code, and it's a Leafeon. Code card. Then I got the... Boom. This doesn't even have a code card. What the heck? Oh no, this was a code card. Jesus, I'm dumb. Boom. Moltres. Alright, guys, we gotta... Nada. Nada. Alright, let's start with the Evolving Skies. Green code. Nothing. Come on, Brilliant Stars. Ugh. Alright. Boom. Nada. Go card. Nada. Got Evolving Skies right here. Raichu. Alright. It's a... Let's go! Let's go! Boom. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Oh my god, I'm so close. I just noticed that. Look at that. Let's go, guys. What a freaking pack. Who has that Charizard pull? What's some better? Come on now. Oof. Come on now. Just a hollow. Alright, we got 2 more packs. Come on now. 2 more packs, baby. Oof. Oh, wow. Last pack, guys. Ah. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.